logos on the side.
What do you mean it's not safe?
It's random, and it's like...
Who did we rent it from?
Dude.
Can we know the dude we rented the game truck from? Is it a company?
You should make Laura go or you bring her grade down to a C.
Like somebody was going to break his truck.
We know why you're going,
Like all
Kathy.
the windows can see through.
Well, if you were to go.
We're in physics class.
What?
I'm talking to our millions of viewers.
Oh.
Hey viewers, how are ya? Sorry, I'm gonna cut you off. Can I take pictures?
No. Hang on, let me see real quick.
You're recording?
There's Laura. She's a little special. Her cell phone number is 714-666-666-666. If you want to call her, go for it.
That's too many numbers.
No, Ramon.
I can't be on the internet. Why 6?
Huh?
Simple.
I have a warrant for my arrest. I can't be on the internet.
Why 66?
You don't know what 666 is?
Yeah.
Did she say 69? Damn, Kevin. Are you done with your guys'? You guys done with your info? We're done.
Brandon's cracking up.
Let's go. There. So are you guys almost done?
Yeah.
Almost.
You ready?
What are you guys sensing?
How'd you... Okay, is it not falling out anymore?
No. Oh, I didn't.
Okay.
That's a sexy
Good job, Kevin. It could have been done one more time, but no.
That's a sexy pose.
He's the class...
70.
70?
He's the class mascot.
Oh, we didn't touch original.
Look at that sexy pose.
Original, what was it?
Look at that.
Oh, it's Lana Laura didn't want to keep that pose up. 65. Everybody voted.
70? Yeah.
Look at that.
Kevin.
Hey Kevin, can you give me an over the... Yeah, there you go.
Pose, Kevin.
That's Mrs. Malowski. She types like very regally, like yes.
Like there's no tomorrow.
She does.
Okay, Mister.
She's 26. She likes long walks on the beach. She likes macaroni and cheese. And
She likes carrots.
her favorite movie is Beauty and the Beast. And she likes to sing. Her favorite pastime.
Alejandro.
Not that song. Her favorite pastime is
You ready?
What is her favorite pastime? She likes to sing Aladdin songs. So yeah, exactly. I once bumped into her at Target and she was singing A Whole New World, complete with an Arabian Man.
With an Arabian Man?
Yeah.
We have proof.
So anyways, Miss Malowski, you can see her you can...
And that was a nice picture of your chin.
Really? Is it? My name is Donovan Farmer. 315 Camino Drive. So anyway, she has profiles on both Match.com.
My name is Kamesi.
Oh, Miss Kamesi. Sorry.
Chemistry.com.
Match.com/Kamesi. Yeah. And eharmony.com/Kamesi. She's looking for a millionaire.
Preferably old, so he will die sooner.
Sorry.